So again, we are looking at circling coordinate geometry, but here we are looking at slightly different aspect. The point 2 and 1 is on the lowest point on the circle S. So we can see that's the point, that's our circle S, with center C, that's our center as shown in the diagram below. The y-axis is a tangent to the circle S. So when they are saying tangent to S, basically that means that that y will be touching S is just one point. That's it. Okay, what do we need to do with that? We have to work out the radius and the center of the circle S. So the center, that means coordinates. I need to work out x and y. And radius goes from the center to the edge. I need to find the length of it. So how do we do that? Well, here we are using the idea or the knowledge is that when we have coordinates, we can use that to read length, and the other way around, length can be used to read coordinates. That's basically the idea we are using, the connection between coordinates and length. Okay, so the only numerical information we have 2 and 1, and that will be the key to finding both of those answers, because our answer will be radius, will be a specific number. And when it comes to the coordinates, I'm going to have number for x and number for y. Okay, so what does that mean, coordinates of 2 and 1? That means that here, value of x is 2, and then across here, value of y is 1. Now, that means that my x-coordinate of the center is the same, will be 2. So we can replace that and put 2. So we have the first value. So we know that is 2. Now, as well, the other idea here is that since that is 2, that means that the length from 0 to this, so this length, that is 2. And that means that this length is exactly the same, so that length is 2. And from the center to the edge, what do we have? Radius. So now we have radius. So our radius is equal to, and then for the center, we've already have one coordinate. We just need to work out the second one. And again, that is radius as well, and that is 2. So from this point, that is 1. If we go up 2, that means that this y here will be 3. So there it is, my second, the y-coordinate of the center here, that is 3. So the center is 3. So that's what I'm saying. The idea we are using that the length and coordinate are relating to each other. We can use coordinates to read length or length to read coordinates.